Ladies and gentlemen, how are you doing? I'm back again with another video for you guys. Something very, very nice to inform you about one of the best things that you can actually find in the prop firm industry. So today I'm going to talk about blue effects. I'm sure you guys have seen this around or you've seen me posting about it in my Telegram community. Yeah. So today I'm going to make a video about them and actually try and explain to you guys what is happening. Okay. So, BlueFX is one of the instant funding prop firm companies out there who are funding traders, literally funding traders with money. Okay, so this is where you pay a subscription and then you get a direct live funded account. All right. So I've been trading with these guys, I think, for a month or so. Yeah, started in July. I'll show you all the details. But I wanted to act, I need to actually show you something. So this is something you can actually take advantage of, especially if you're a new trader. Not really new trader. I mean, someone who's especially struggling with funding, right? You know that funding is one of the most one of those things that actually causes a lot of retail traders to lose money in the market. Why? Because they try to over risk so that they can make a lot of money on one particular trade. Unfortunately, that always works against them. Okay, because we know that we don't know what's going to happen on the next trade. What anything can happen at any particular time. So why blow those $100 accounts? Like how many $100 accounts have you blown? Imagine if you were able to save that and actually pay yourself a subscription where you can actually get a good amount of capital. As long as you have a system or you have a strategy that works, you're able to make money from these guys. And yeah, you don't have to trade your own money anymore, guys. Like there's literally no reason why you're supposed to be trading your own money. These companies are out there looking for traders who can trade, traders with a system that can make money consistently. Why should you trade your own money? These guys literally give you instant cash for their account. So let's look at this. So these guys have been around since 2017, if I'm not mistaken. All right. So let me just show you something right here. So they've got two types of accounts. They've got a light package and the pro package. Let's talk about the light package. So the light package is at $25,000 account. It's a $25,000 account. All right. On this particular one, you pay a £99, which is a monthly fee. Okay. And then the leverage is 1 to 3. I know this can be bad for some people who are used to trading with 1 to 2,000, 1 to 100 leverage. Why? Because this one is quite low, but it's actually good for risk management. Meaning, as long as you have a system that makes money over a series of trades, you'll be okay. All right. So that's the reason why you have a buying power of 3. I mean, this is $5,000 account, meaning a buying power of 1 to 3, which is like 1 to 3 leverage. Okay. And then the target for you to be able to withdraw is just 5%. As long as you can make 5% of the $25,000 account, which is 1,250, you'll be able to withdraw the money and the profit share is 50%. So if you make $250,000, you'll be able to split that in the middle and get half half. All right. And the good thing about them, guys, they don't have a daily drawdown, meaning you can have as many losses as long as you don't hit the 10% maximum drawdown, and you're going to be all right. Unlike other platforms that give you a daily drawdown, and once you hit the daily drawdown, you are gone. These guys give you only 10% maximum drawdown, no daily drawdown. All right. And then what's another good thing about them? And another good thing about them is that, for example, you fail you subscribe this month, right? But you didn't manage to actually make the 5%, and you don't have money to pay for the subscription for next month. They actually give you up to 6 months, and you can stop trading next month and still have access to your account up to 6 months. It's only after 6 months when the action is taken whether to like to neutralize the account into to bring back the account to the same $25,000 account. And then also, if you fail to make if you fail to make 5%, for example, this month, and just manage to make let's say 2%, what happens is that you'll be able to actually carry over that 2% to next month, so that next month you're not going to start from zero, you're going to start from 2%, so that you can actually make the remaining 3% in whatever period you can make, and you can actually get the money. And another cool thing about Blue FX is that you are actually able to withdraw within the week. There are no maximum number of withdrawals you can make in a week. So as long as you're able to hit your 5% at any particular time, you can request for a withdrawal and you'll be able to get paid. Okay? Doesn't matter how many times. Very, very nice. One thing I don't like about Blue FX is that I cannot take trades outside these hours right here, which is really, really bad because I tend to have very, very good setup early in the morning, and I just have to let them go because I can't take trades during outside hours. That's one bad part I hate about the light account. All right. Otherwise, what else? What else? What else? What else? What else? Yeah, what else here? There are 29 players. You can trade gold as well. You can just trade indices and cryptos, and they're saying that they're going to actually add those other cryptos and other indices. All right, and then also you trade using C Trader, which I love, by the way. You can see that's the one I use for my trading. I love C Trader. At first, I didn't understand it, and I actually hesitated. But when I came to learn about how it works and everything else, I love the interface and everything else. Yeah, so this is actually very, very, very good. I would actually encourage you guys to join these guys. They are really, really good. They have a really good support team. Their Telegram is always active. They're able to answer all your questions. And remember, guys, the split is 50-50. So whatever amount you make, you actually get to keep 50% of that. And it doesn't matter. Even if you made 10%, you'll be able to get 50% of that amount. It's that cool, guys. And also, even if you lost the account, there is zero loss liability, meaning the loss is not on your side. And that's the reason why they're able to control the account. I mean, they're able to control risk. You cannot over risk on. It's actually very hard to lose this account because there's no way you can over risk. As long as you have a system that actually makes money over a series of trades, you'll be okay. You'll be able to make money. It's just about when, because of the restrictions it comes to lot sizes. Because I think the highest lot size you can actually go with these guys is about I think it's about a $10 lot size. So as long as you can have a system that actually makes money over a series of trades, you're going to be all right. Yeah. So this is actually very good. So if you are struggling with capital, you don't have like a lot of money to start trading with, this is the best thing you can do. There are no demo. You don't have like to try and pass a challenge, right? You don't have to do none of that thing. You just need to have the money. If you know you can trade, make sure that just buy the account and start trading. This is actually very, very, very good because I mean, I wish these things were available back then when we started trading, because I mean, like those $100 of accounts that we blew would have actually invested in this and actually be able to make money. So as long as you can actually make money within the 30 days period, you can actually pay the next subscription with your own money, the profits from the profit. That's the cool part about it. So as long as you can trade, meaning you only have to pay once, and you'll be able to pay your subscription from the profit as long as you make the 5%. 5% in a month is actually very, 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 very doable. So this is actually a very, very good thing about them, right? I can show you. Let me just show you. I was able to actually make it with. This is my account, by the way. I was able to actually make a withdraw. I'm sure you guys in the Telegram community saw that. Where is that? I was able to make a withdraw with these guys here. It was on the 5th of July, and this was my certificate of withdrawal right here. I was about to withdraw the money, and I got my 50% of this, which is like $625. Like really cool. I think I did this in like 2 weeks or something. This is actually very nice, and I was about to make this. So this is one of the things that you can actually. These guys are. I'm really encouraging you guys to check them out. Okay, right now I'm still in profit around. Let me just show you. I'm up like $425, something like that. Let me see. About $425. You can see here, yeah, $427 net positive right now. My account is in 2000, I mean $25,427. I'm in positive right now. So I'm still trading with this, and I would really encourage you to actually be able to join these guys and trade with them. So this is, I think this is all about the light account. So there's a monthly subscription of £99, which is about $21. And yeah. And one thing I forgot to mention, guys, you cannot hold trades of you cannot hold trades over the weekend, but you can hold trades. You can hold trades overnight. You can't just trade during the outside hours right here, but you can hold trades overnight. But you cannot hold trades over the weekend. You have to close the trades um around around what was the time? Around yeah, around 9 p.m. London time. Yeah. And then what else? Yeah, the maximum drawdown is 10%, which is $250. And then yeah. So this is all about the light account. And then we have a pro account. So this is for those of you guys who love to actually upgrade and grow these accounts into big accounts, right? So I love this, and this is what I'm actually trying to work on right now. Where for the pro account, you actually start with it starts from a $50,000 account, which costs about £450, which is approximately about $320, right? Okay, so for that you get yourself a $50,000 account, and then it's like this: when you make 10% of a $50,000 account, they'll upgrade your account to $100,000 account. Remember, as long as you make the 10%, they will upgrade your account to $100,000 account. Again, if you make 10% of $100,000 account, they will upgrade your account to $200,000 account. And if you can make 10% of $10,000, $200,000 account, then they'll give you $1 million account, and you become a fund manager. Guys, that's totally scalable. And you know one cool thing about all these targets? Like, you don't have to do them in 30 days or whatever, 20 trading days. Nothing like that. For as long as you can manage to pay subscription, you can actually take your time. There's no limit, which is different from these other programs out there. With these guys, there's no limit. Like, you can take your time and actually be profitable. There's no need of you hiring, trying to actually make money quickly. No, you can take your time and be able to make money. All right, that's what really, really something cool about them, because they don't give you that pressure to actually uh do this in 30 days, do this in 20 days. Like, you can you can still take your time and do it at your own pace. You don't have to like be in a hurry or something. All right. So this is the pro about the pro account as well. You have started with the $5,000 account. If you want to grow the account to $1 million account, yes, you have to be making 10% of that, and actually be able to keep the money in the profits in the account, and you only be able to share the profits when you reach the $1 million account, like which is like 30% away. If you can make 30%, you're able to hit $1 million account. However, if you don't want to grow your account, you can just be withdrawing your money. You make 5% or $50,000 account, you withdraw your money. Make 5%, you withdraw your money, just like just like the light account. And remember also, the leverage is the same. The leverage is the same. All right. And then one cool thing about the pro account, remember that I told you guys about the trading hours, right? Here you can trade at any time. You don't have like to wait for the London Open or something like that, like, or for time to actually come to 6 a.m. to 9 a.m. No, like you can trade at any particular time. That's the one thing about the pro account. Again, just like the other one, it's you have zero liability. Whatever, if you lose the money, I don't know what can cause you to lose the money. Like, you can't lose this money. It's impossible. I don't know what you're doing. All right. So also the split is 50%, 50% profit split, and the withdrawals are weekly, guys. Weekly. As long as you can make your profits, you can actually withdraw within a week. Like, it's really, really, really cool. Also, you have 29 pairs to trade with, and this is the course right here. So these guys are legit. I've been trading with them for a month, and I've actually been able to withdraw it. And these guys have been around since 2007, if I'm not mistaken. So I would actually encourage you to join these guys. I'm not affiliated to them in any way. I'm just trying to promote them. All right, because I've seen how you can actually take advantage of this. You can actually take advantage of this because this is actually really, really very nice. All right, so if you'd like to create an account with them, the links are down in the description. You can actually use my link. My code is just down there. Yeah, so I thought I would share with you about these guys. All right, so these are some of the traders who are trading actually $1 million account. This guy, $1 million account. These guys are trading about $25,000 account, 25, 200,000, $50,000 account. Like, people are able to scale. I mean, you can scale up. You can scale up. That's one thing good about trading, guys. Like, the potential to the upside is so limited, right? It's all limited. It's unlimited. It's unlimited. The potential to the upside is unlimited. So as long as you have a skill, this is the right thing for you to do, because you don't need to pass any challenges whatsoever. You know how those challenges are made for you to fail. Like, you can have at any particular time, you can have a 5% drawdown. But with other prop firms, when you have a 5% drawdown, then you lose their account. All right, that's the reason why a lot of people fail these kind of prop firms. But with this one, I mean, you have the maximum drawdown, which is 10%. And provided you have a system that is able to make money consistently, you can leverage that and actually be able to make money. So for those retail traders who are, I mean, those beginners who are still struggling with capital, I think this is the best way for you. Even those that are just trading their own money, this is the best thing you can actually do. However, please don't jump into prop firms when you don't have a strategy. Don't jump into problems when you don't have a strategy. Learn the strategy, learn the skill so that you can be able to trade on your own. That's the best way to do it. All right. So that don't depend, don't buy a challenge when you don't know how to trade. That's not wise. That's not wise. So I thought I would actually share these, guys. I hope you found it helpful. So if you've got any questions, leave them down in the description. There are links down in the description. You can hit me up on Telegram, and I'll be able to clarify if you have any questions. And if I've left out anything, you can also leave it down in the description. I'll appreciate. I mean, in the comment section, and I'll appreciate that. All right, you guys. Thank you so much. Remember to check them out. The links are down in the description, and do all that. All right, you guys. Until next time. Goodbye.